Hello everybody, it's Gene again from CJJ IT Solutions. Had an email request for Microsoft Access 2007. Looks a little bit different from the Access version 2003. So we're going to go over designing a table in Access 2007. So as you see, we open this up a little bit. Looks a little bit different. We're going to select blank database, and the premise is basically the same. Where on our hard drive are we going to put this database? I'm going to go ahead and stick this on my desktop, and we'll call it EMP. Call our database EMP, and that is going to go on our desktop. Okay, and we're going to create. So again, the view here, it looks a little bit different, and I am currently in datasheet view, and we can go through and design the table this way. I want to go to design view so we can kind of get a look at the let's call this EMP, TBL EMP. So okay, again, I'm gonna go here in into design view so we can get a look at the different data types as we go through this. So our first field, we are gonna call this the employee ID, and that's gonna be set to a auto number. Incremental number for us, and we'll do L name and F name, and just like we did in 2003, very similar, we're going to set the field size. So if I go down here to the field properties, for last name I have that set to text. For the text, the field properties, I'm going to limit that to 15 characters, and let's go ahead and do the same thing for the first name. So when entering data into this table, the user will not be able to enter data larger than 15 characters, okay? So let's go ahead and close that up. Do I want to save the change? I'm going to say yes. So on the left-hand side, we can go ahead and open up that table. So now we have our last name, Fish, Bob, Simmons, Roy, Rita. Okay, and we can also add a new field on the fly, and we can see on the left hand column here the field employee ID is auto incrementing and employee ID. Okay, so very similar to Access 2003. I think the interface kind of threw a few people off, but again, it's very similar stuff here. So let's go ahead and save that. Open it up, and you see that our data is still in that table. Now, if we wanted to add a new field, we can go over here to view, and we can go back to design view. Let's go ahead and let's say we want to add middle initial. Set that to text, and we are going to put one character, and boom. Again, every time we make changes, we add fields to this table, we get prompted to save it. You know, do we want to keep this? We're going to say yes. And when we reopen the table, we have the field here for the middle initial. And you'll see that if I try to add additional characters in that field, I won't be able to. Okay? So that's just very briefly designing a simple table in Access 2007. Keep the emails coming, and we will see you soon. Again, this is Gene from CJJ IT Solutions, and thanks for watching.